Hey, what's up guys? Aussie Tool Guy from Trade Tools, and we're talking about DeWALT's 18 volt 3x360 multi-line laser. Perfect for all the tradies out there, whether you're chippy, needing it to do some timber work, plumber, ready to level up some mixers, or you want to line up your LEDs and your downlights if you're a Sparky. This thing is awesome for that. Let's check it out. The laser is 18 volt and 12 volt compatible. Also comes with a fine adjustment knob for dialing this in for precision and accuracy. DeWALT's 3x360 laser level is self-leveling, has a working range of 35 meters or up to 50 meters with the detector. Also accuracy of plus or minus 3 mil at 10 meters. Now this is a green beam laser which is very bright and visible for a wide extended working range. This is covered by a 3-year warranty, and this comes as a bare tool, or it does come in a kit with a 2-amp battery and a charger. Guys, the new DeWALT laser is available in all the stores and online. Head over to tradetools.com and check these out today.